In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and there are two different ways how we can unblock someone. The first way is to unblock a user from their Instagram profile. If we do know the exact username of a user we would like to unblock, we can tap right here at search and then search for their username. Then hit at search, go to their profile page. As you can see, now this button says unblock. If we tap on it, we'll unblock that user. However, if you do not remember the exact username, I'm gonna show you the easiest way how we can find all the users you have blocked on Instagram in one place. So first off, tap right here to go to your profile page, then hit add three lines, and then tap at settings and privacy. Then just scroll down until you find blocked, get into it, and it will show you all the accounts you have blocked on Instagram, and from here we are able to unblock them simply by tapping at unblock. And also from here we can go to their profile, and we are also able to unblock them from here. That's how you can easily unblock someone on Instagram.